In this video, you will learn the best AI tool on the market for YouTube thumbnails. I used to pay a lot of money and waste a lot of time and energy to create good-looking YouTube thumbnails, and now all it takes is a click of a button. If you know me, you know that I won't waste your time, so let's dive right in. This tool is called Pikzels and it's written as Pikzels. It's hands down one of the best AI tools for YouTube thumbnails. And by the way, they haven't sponsored me or paid me a single dollar to create this video. It's just that I really wanted to find an AI alternative for YouTube thumbnails. I searched all over the internet, watched all kinds of videos and tried all kinds of tools and found that Pikzels is literally the best tool out there, at least for now. And it's also the most affordable tool for the quality that you get in return. I will share how much this costs you and all the details in this video. So what does Pikzels do? You write a prompt, whatever it is, you select a persona, you select a style, and you select how many pictures or thumbnails you want generated. Let's say it's 2 thumbnails out of this prompt, and you click on generate. What happens is exactly this. I wrote this prompt and it generated these 2 thumbnails. If you look over here, this is the score that Pikzels gave us. They check for virality, clarity, idea, curiosity, and emotion. These are the elements that make a great YouTube thumbnail. And I got a score of 69. Now, I didn't really like the first 2 thumbnails, so I clicked on one-click fix. Once I did that, it automatically edited the prompt in a way that's gonna increase the score. And it gave me this within seconds, with a score of 83. It changed a lot of things inside that thumbnail. I do like this, but I wanted something else. So what I did next was, I clicked on this one and clicked on edit. You can edit this exact thumbnail using this feature. So what I did was I wrote make Sinan face the viewer, not the AI system. So my face was looking at the AI system and now my face was looking at the viewer. I was still not satisfied. So I clicked on one-click fix and it changed this into this. And it even gave it a lower score. So this was a bad thumbnail. What I did next was keep everything as is, just have the background be white and text black. Let it be unlimited recruiting clients and remove the 250 plus. So I wanted to edit this. This has the highest score and it looked nice. So I wanted the background to be white and I wanted to change 250 plus, replace it with unlimited. This is exactly what Pikzels did within seconds. And this was the winning thumbnail that I decided to use on the YouTube video. Now let's say you decide to use Pikzels. The first step is you have to create an account on Pikzels. And by the way, I would really appreciate you if you use the link in description to help the channel out. If this video was beneficial, then using the link in description is gonna help us create more videos like these for you guys. Step number 2, you have to create a persona. You click on personas, create persona, next, and then you upload 3 images only. The 3 images have to be one facing the camera with no emotions or expressions, another one with a lot of facial expressions and emotions so that they can know how your face looks once you express, so that the thumbnail can be as natural as possible. So let's say you were angry and you have to show anger. And the third picture has to be a side picture like this one. Because once you are creating a YouTube thumbnail, you might need to express an emotion or you might need to look in a certain direction. And these 3 images are going to be more than enough for you to help Pikzels create a persona of yours. Then you name the persona and you click on generate. You would end up with something like this. This is the second persona I created and this is the one I used for these thumbnails. Step number 3 would be choosing a style. What is a style? So Pikzels has to have some sort of an inspiration to create your YouTube thumbnails. And in this case, you have to choose a YouTube channel that you like with YouTube thumbnails that you like. And you tell Pikzels, hey, I want you to use this as an inspiration for all my YouTube thumbnails. In my case, I chose Liam Otley. He's one of the biggest AI influencers in the space. And I really love the way he creates his YouTube thumbnails. So I created my style based on his YouTube thumbnails. And once you're done with these 3 steps, you can now create YouTube thumbnails like these or even better using Pikzels. I know what you're thinking about. How much is Pikzels gonna cost you on a monthly basis? Now, I have 460 credits remaining. 1,000 credits costs you $40 on a monthly basis. Every month, you pay $40 for 1,000 credits, and you can buy more than 1,000 credits. Every single YouTube thumbnail that you create is gonna cost you 20 credits. So if you do the math, 1,000 credits allows you to create 50 YouTube thumbnails. And a persona is gonna cost you 50 credits, a style is gonna cost you, I think, 100 or 200 credits. Now, if you do the math, it's always gonna be cheaper to use Pikzels and with better quality compared to hiring someone on Fiverr or Upwork as a freelancer. Because $40 is only gonna get you 2 or 3 YouTube thumbnails that look decent using Fiverr or Upwork or talking to a freelancer, because there's time and energy that's going into that. Using Pikzels, you can create at least 20 or 30 great looking YouTube thumbnails within seconds. And this was how you create a YouTube thumbnail with AI. If this video was beneficial for you, make sure to like and subscribe so that I can create more videos like these for you guys. With that being said, thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.